Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to report hazard on Waze, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First open the app, then click on that orange circle icon on the map. And now you should see at this menu the hazard option. Click on it, and it said that you can select if it's that on the road, shoulder, or the weather. You can take pictures or you can add comments as well. And if you are done, click on the send and your report will be shown on the map and other users can see it. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.